After a mild start, central Indiana is warming up this afternoon. We will eventually top out at about 73 degrees. Winds out of the south-southwest up to about 15 miles per hour. We will see gusts up to about 25 miles per hour today. Winds relax this evening down to 62 degrees at 8 o'clock. Then we fall into the 50s by midnight. And that brings us to an overnight low of about 51. Partly cloudy and mild as you start your day tomorrow. There is a slight chance for an isolated shower Wednesday morning. By noon, 63, and then we're going to warm up to 74 degrees by 4 o'clock. Future Track 13 picking up on that very, very slim chance tomorrow morning. It's as we go into Thursday that we have another chance of a stray shower, especially Thursday morning, but we will have dry afternoons. And then in the 7-day forecast, the 70s stay through Friday. So just small shower chances Wednesday and Thursday. Better chance of rain comes on Saturday with a high of 68 degrees. We cool down starting Sunday and Monday.